Cadillac Northstars. I usually don't buy these, but this was pretty cheap. So I rolled the dice. On today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we're in Norristown picking up a Cadillac Northstar, which I don't normally buy. So I have my fingers crossed that it's a good one. We have a guest star. Tony Baloney. Guest star Tony Baloney. So we're driving the 08 Ford F150 because the OG truck has no heat and it's cold. Let's go pick it up. Is it cracked?
Yeah,
rusty?
You can't even see it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna screw it. When the title comes in,
The frame is right up against the manifold.
the title comes in, it should be for sale. Where are we going? Back there?
You're going back.
I don't remember coming here. Norristown Chrysler.
We've been here a million times.
I must have went a different way than GS.
We came from that end.
Yeah, well, that's why it looks different to me. And I don't have my glasses, I can't see.
Let's go down there and make a right.
Make a right?
Yeah.
All the Jeeps. You wanted another crappy piece of shit Jeep.
I might buy one.
Actually, no. Yeah, that's right. We've been here. Yeah, because it looks different. Yeah, that's right. I've been here plenty of times. Why does it look different that way?
Because we came from the opposite end. Where are you going?
You told me to go this way.
They're
clown.
over there.
You're an idiot. That's right. It's the big gate, right? You got to go through the gate? Yeah. That's where we bought that Dodge Dakota.
The raggedy ass one.
Yeah, look like it came out the junkyard.
Back there.
We sold it though. What did we get for that?
I think 1700.
1700.
Where are
All
you
right.
going? Right there.
Chill, Bill.
I'm not walking away back there.
Oh my God, this guy. You're lazy, dude.
It's cold out. And if that junk don't start, you decided to buy a Northstar.
Well, I rolled the dice and see what happens. It's probably a good one. Well, let me shut up.
I said that about your truck.
I said a lot about a lot of cars. All right. Yeah, it's got tinted windows. That means it's probably a Philly polished shit. Cadillac Northstars. I usually don't buy these, but this was pretty cheap. So I rolled the dice. It's got 225 stickers, so stickers are still good until the end of the month. Let's hope this junk starts. Interior clean? Let's see. A little noisy, but it starts up. It's clean interior. Alright, can you tag on? Put a tag on?
Nah, I got to.
Open that window so it doesn't lock itself. It might lock itself. Got any goodies in here? Oh, the Cadillac CD. A lot of problems with Northstars back in the day. We'll find out. If it doesn't overheat by the time we get back, we should be good. I'll drive it when we get back to the Hoopty headquarters. Make it tight because I'm lose a tag. Alright, good. I'll follow you.
Giant truck.
Tony, look out that side. Make sure I make it. Hurry up.
You're good.
You good? Can't get a brand new truck because then I have to pay for it. Norristown Jeep. Chrysler junk. How's it feel?
Kind of feels like it's missing. I don't know.
Alright, but is it shifting alright?
It shifts fine, but you seem quiet.
Alright. Don't worry about it. As long as it shifts good. All I care about is not overheating and shifting good. It might need a coil pack, but as long as it doesn't overheat, as long as it shifts good, everything else is good. Make sure to know. Guy call you back about the truck?
Yeah, he's at Wawa shutting out.
Yeah, there's like 2 or 3 people that message me on that.
I have people calling. That's all we're getting told about the truck.
It's cheap. That means $2,500. Tell them you got 5 other people interested.
I already told him that this morning.
We drove it 100 miles from Ocean City. And it cost me $60 to get that polished shit back to the car lot.
3,500.
Huh?
So that's a 3,500.
Yeah.
Clean. Look at that. Fuel tractor.
Yeah. Diesel. Door max. I might get lucky. I might get a door max.
One of those, I'll be jealous.
You'll be jealous. I'll tear your ass up. I'll destroy you.
Tier 4. That's good. You don't need that much.
I'll just put 20 so we got plenty of gas in this junk. Alright. So today we're driving the OG. Actually, no, we're not driving the OG. We're driving the 2008 F150 because the OG F150, the heat doesn't work. And supposedly we're gonna get snow, freezing rain, all kind of crap. What did we get? A little bit of rain. Straight with the hell they going. Tony, your brother doesn't know where he's going. we're back at the Hoopty headquarters. Now it's my turn and Baloney's turn to take the Hoopty Caddy for a ride. Jump in. See how it runs. The Hoopty Lack. He said it needs a coil pack. How do you turn this thing on? Oh, this has that stupid push button. Seatbelt, Baloney. Alright, let's see. Okay, it feels like it needs a little mess. Not bad. Slide roll. Huh? Don't worry about it. I just shut this. Let me see. Let go. It needs a coil pack. So I usually don't buy Northstar Cadillacs because they have head gasket problems. This one, not overheating. That's a good thing. Just feels like it needs a coil pack. Yeah, tranny shifts beautifully. Got good heat. Let me turn the heat off on this thing. I'm not used to having heat. The OG tow truck doesn't have heat. I disconnected the heater core. When I disconnected, it blew a hose because it was clogged, and I had to reroute the hose. It's not bad. It feels like it needs a motor mount, a little vibration. What do you think, Baloney? How's it run? All right. We'll get $19.99 for this junker. Might have to put a coil pack though. Cracked windshield. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think $19.99 is the number for this. 2006 Cadillac STS. Come on, people. Northstars have head gasket problems. They have problems with leaking oil. But when they run good, they run good. I've had lots of them.
Just got that truck.
Yeah, well, hopefully it sells. So it's cheap. Alright, let's check the oil in this junk. How big the motor is. Northstar. Hold the hood up. It doesn't bust me in the head. People are slobs. How hard is it to get the coil packs on this? I don't think it's too bad. got oil. Might need about a half a quart, but we're gonna leave it just the way it is. It's good enough. Everything else is full. Let me see. I don't think it's too bad to change the coil pack. We'll have to scan it, see which one is bad. People are pigs around here. Alright, there you go, guys. 2006 Cadillac Northstar. I rolled the dice. Looks like I'm going to make out. Sometimes you roll the dice, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. I think this time I'm going to win. Beautiful body. Tinted windows already. That's what Philly people like. What do you think, Baloney? $19.99? All right, there you go.